Case 2, a power 4k plus 2. Now see here. Case 2, a power 4k plus 2. 4k plus 1, 4k plus 2, 4k plus 3, and power is a multiple of 4. A power 4k plus 2, power n. A power 4k plus 2, power n. Now divide these number by 4. 4k is divisible by 4. If n is greater than or equivalent to 2, what is 2 square? 4. 4 is divisible by 4. N is 3. 2 cube. 8 is divisible by 4. N is 4. 16. It is divisible by 4. So if n is greater than or equivalent to 2, entire number is divisible by 4. So a power 4p. Answer is nothing but a power 4. I hope it is clear. 4k plus 2. Power n. 4k is divisible by 4. 2 power n. 2 power n. If n is all greater than or equivalent to 2, it is always divisible by 4. If n is greater than or equivalent to 2, it is always divisible by 4. So a power 4p. A power 4p unit digit is a power 4. I hope now you understood, Pallavi, why I took the generic cyclicity as 4. Only with 4 I will do everything. Examples. 192 power 30 power 187. Power 187. What is the unit digit of this number? 192 power 30 power 187. This is 4k plus 2. 4k plus 2 power any number. A power 4. 2 power 4. What is the unit digit of this number? Unit digit of this number is 6. 377 power 154 power 202. 377 power 154 power 202. Only take the first power. This is 54 is 4 into 13 plus 2. 4k plus 2 power any natural number, which is 7 power 4. 7 square into 7 square. 49. 9 nines are 81. Answer is 1. I hope the idea is clear. One more question. 238 power 238 power 238 power 238. Powers could be anything. What is the first thing? 38. 38 is 4 into 9 plus 2. 4k plus 2 power any number. It is a power 4. A power 4 is 8 square into 8 square. 8 square is 64. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. I hope the idea is clear. A power 4k plus 2 power n. It is nothing but a power 4. It is nothing but a power 4. Write down case 3. Once you understand, these are all very easy questions, sir. Case 3. Case 3. Case 3. So this is, suppose if I take case 3. Case 3. A power 4k plus 3 power n. A power 4k plus 1 over 4k plus 2 over. These are two cases here. If n is an even number or n is an odd number. N is an even number or n is an odd number. If n is an even number, think logically. 4k plus 3 power n. This is divisible by 4. If n is an even number, 3 square, 3 power 4, 3 power 6, 3 power 8. All these things. When you divide by 4, what is the remainder you are getting? 3 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. Minus 1. Minus 1 square is 1. 3 divided by 4. Minus 1. Minus 1 power even is plus 1. 3 divided by 4. Minus 1. Minus 1 power even is plus 1. These also plus 1. So this 3 power n will give a remainder 1 when divided by 4. A power 4 plus 1, which is a. Please write down. If a power 4k plus 3 power n, if n is an even number, if n is an even number, answer is nothing but a. Answer is nothing but a. N is an even number. n is an even number. So 3 power even number, when you divide by 4, I will get a remainder 1. If it is 4k plus 3 power n is an odd number. N is an odd number. If I take odd number, remainder 1, 3 power n divided by 4, this will become 4 ones are 4, minus 1. Minus 1 power odd is minus 1. Positive remainder is 3. So this is nothing but a power 4p plus 3, which is nothing but a cube. Only in the case of a power 4k plus 3 power n, if n is even, unit digit will be a. If n is odd number, unit digit will be a cube. Unit digit will be a cube. 4 power a power 4k plus 3 power n. If n is an even number, unit digit will be a. If n is an odd number, unit digit will be a cube. I hope the idea is clear. N is an even number, unit digit a. N is an odd number, unit digit a cube. Examples. Examples. Please write down examples. Examples. First example, 52 power 55 power 97. Second example, 86 power 91 power 92. Third example, 137 power 139 power 139 power 139. Fourth example, 18 power 23 power 23, and so on up to infinite. 52 power 55 power 97, 86 power 91 power 92, 137 power 139 power 139, and so on. 18 power 23 23, and so on up to infinite. All are easy questions if you know the concept. This is nothing but 4 into 13 plus 3, 4k plus 3, power an odd number. Power an odd number. Odd number means I will get a cube. 2 cube 8 is the answer. 2 cube 8 is the answer. 4 into 22 plus 3, 4k plus 3, this is an even number. 92 is an even number. So this is nothing but unit digit is 6. Unit digit is 6. 4k plus 3 power an even number. Already we discussed. 139. 4 into 9 plus 3. 139 is odd. Odd power any number odd. Odd means I will get a cube. 7 cube is 343. Answer is 3. Answer is 3. 4k plus 3. This is an odd number. Odd will be a cube, 8 cube, which is nothing but 512. Which is nothing but 512. Very easy if you understand the idea. Very easy if you understand the idea. Please let me know if everything is clear to you.